evening guys. So I'm cooking crabs with sotanghon for dinner. So simple recipes, onion, garlic, igisa nyo, make it brown, and then the crabs. So after that, the crabs, so small amount of water. Yan. And then black pepper powder, magic sarap, small amount, or gusto nyo is konting asin, pwede din. And then the sotanghon, yun lang guys. So try nyo, masarap siya, simple pero masarap siya. So crabs, favorite namin to. Ito ang the best na ulam. Thank you, God bless.